Thank you for buying both Lighting USA's WolfMix pre-programmed Emerald Edition or Ruby Edition. Let's get started. We will go ahead and import the profile. If you could go to WD Tools, ensure that your WolfMix is connected. Go to Projects, File, Import Project, and from here you will go to where you unzip your files. In my particular case, mine was in Downloads. Select your Emerald or Ruby edition. Open. And then your next option is Import or Import and Sync. Go ahead and select Import and Sync, and this way it'll download to your W2s and sync. Now we will go ahead and import your light profiles. In adding the both light profiles, we will go to Fixtures and WD Tools, select Profile Not Found, and then from here you will select the Create Your Own, and this will take you to the profile builder that's on your account. You will go ahead and log into your account, and from here you will it'll take you to what list of profiles you have for lights, and yours should be empty. Mine already has all the both lighting profiles that we're about to add. Go to the top right corner, import profile, then you will go to the folder which has the light profiles that we provided for you in the zip file. And what you're going to do is select each light profile, and we're going to go ahead and take it over to the profile builder and do a drag and drop, upload, and then from here go to back to the list. This way it'll show you what light you have, and then you will repeat the process. Upload profile, upload, go to the file, and you will go ahead and do this for each of the light profiles that we provided for you for your project. For the Ruby, you will have 4 light profiles, and for the Emerald, you will have 8 light profiles. And after you're completed, you will go ahead and go back to WD Tools. You will close that box, and now instead of searching for the light profiles, you can just open the cloud drop down menu, and you will see all the both light fixtures profiles that we provided, and you will go ahead and click on the right arrow, and what that's going to do is that will synchronize that over to your WolfMix, and then you could go over to your WolfMix, open up the cloud, and then you'll see that the light profiles are there. We will then show you how to load the both lighting profile onto your WolfMix. You will go ahead and load project, and you will look for your particular project, which would either be the Emerald version or the Ruby version. Go ahead and hit load, and once it's loaded, you will see that your profile is inserted, including with all the fixtures and the correct addresses that pertain to each of the fixtures that was downloaded. For the Ruby edition, you will have 4 profiles. For the Emerald edition, you'll have 8 profiles. For the DMX addresses, you will use the cheat sheet that has all the addresses for your particular lights. Your preset scenes have 4 different pages. The first page are static scenes. Second page are for your slow dances. Third page are for your medium tempo songs. And the fourth is your crazy dance music. And the fifth page is open for a combination of shows you want to save. And your preset scenes, you can select them by either the touch screen or by the corresponding pad down below. And you will see that it'll load the next scene. You can use the pad. It'll choose another scene, or you can use the touch screen. You can also set them to move automatically, and you can select it by choosing a scene, moving the knob if you want a row, column, random. And to select it, you click on the knob and it'll hit play. And as you notice, it'll start changing after a period of time, which you can adjust in the settings of each particular preset. And to turn it off, you click it again. The WolfMix also has additional functions. On the left lower side, you'll see a rectangle with the color, positions, global, and live edit. With color, everything's separated by the group of lights, and you can choose individual lights, or by using the knob you can change the function for it to have multiple lights. You can have it where it fades from one color to another, or have multiple colors. You could use the knob to use that function. You can use the touchscreen, or you can also use the pads down below for the corresponding colors. And this can be changed for each of the groups of lights. For position, all lights that can change position, the functions will be available. It'll have different functions like floor, center, and different ones. Global, you can change the gobos of your lights for those lights that have the gobo function. In Live Edit, you can adjust certain channels to turn on, for example, a prism or a prism rotate on certain lights like your mini heads and your MH150s. For the Emerald version, it also has that for the other moving heads, and also some presets for the 360 tubes.